explanation is getting very long, and so after explanation, after explain it, I get back to my place, and I was recalled to make I explain that the day which is 15th August. So I uh, I retake the mic and explain the 15th August stories. There was a lot of there was a lot of our, so I
Listen,
cannot get the, yeah.
reduce the sentence, use contraction of lots of. There
Yeah,
was,
yeah. There was, okay, there was. So habitual. I am habitual for this type of making sentences. So there are the so more what can I mean, more explanation, more practice is required here. Okay,
yes,
more
yes,
practice
yes.
is required here to make me the more fluent speaker. So any so I am a very so I am a very nervous to speak more, because of there is not a word, and there was a, there is a not of a vocabulary to make more speaking, and there was a, so I am so I think today uh, today is stop for this, because of I, today is enough for it.
Listen,
Today is enough. Yeah, yeah,
practice is not enough. Okay, because
yeah, yeah,
what's the benefits of one-on-one session is practice, because you get more chance to do practice, more time to do
yeah,
practice. That's why
yeah,
I'm giving you one-on-one session, because I can include many students in my class, like 10
yeah,
students, 15
yeah,
students, but none at all,
yeah,
not at all. Why? Just because of practice, because they can't practice,
yeah,
and if there will be
yeah,
one, and if there is one students and one teacher, then they will
yeah.
practice. Okay,
Taking more, yeah.
so continue, continue.
Okay, okay, okay. So I, okay. So the topic was the after recalling me, the topic was the topic was the 15 August is the 15 August, that Independence Day. The Independence Day is benefit or not a benefit for us. So uh, I am an opponent. I am an opponent of that person who is opponent. I am opponent of that person who is a benefit for, yes. So after opponent, so opponent. So I am taking an opponent that a 15 August is not a benefit for us because of there was a गुलाम को क्या बोलते हैं, there was a
Servant.
there was a solvent, there was a solvent of before a 15 August, and after 15 August I was we are also solvent. So, so this discussion is getting a way. So this discussion is getting a lot of time, and so so and so taking in, so after getting a so I didn't get a word and sentence. I didn't get a I didn't get the long word. So because of this type of discussions in Hindi language, and I do this type of discussions very well, but in an English language I can't get the word and sentences to make me more explanations